Hey guys, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts. Today I'm going to do a little creative art journaling in my A6 Hobonichi Techo. When I did my doodling yesterday, it kind of flowed into this fun little journaling session. So come along with me and do something creative too. I start off by sticking down this double-sided tape. I got this little roll in the little I don't know, like 35-cent bin, or it's a little sale bin at Joann's. They have this double-sided tape, and I put a couple strips on there and then trimmed up the little covers for the Jane Davenport watercolors. They come wrapped around all the individual pans, and I just love them. I think they're so pretty. So I wanted to put them down in my journal. So I just put 2 rows of those. It's kind of that Jane Davenport faces. She just makes such pretty faces. I just love them. And I put the other pans that I have, the Brights and the Glitzy, I put those in another journal. So I wanted to put these in this one. This little art thing, I don't know, this journaling session just kind of flowed from that. I don't know. It kind of reminded me of doing art and being creative. And I had that little piece that we had pulled out of the Real Simple magazine of the girl doing art. So I had sort of ripped that out and ripped the edges. I like it when the edges are ripped on things. I think it just looks fun. And then I cut part of the box of the neutrals palette that I got. Because I love making things like that into tip-ins, especially if something has like a clear window in it. It makes a really fun tip-in. So I decided to stick that in there, and that washi tape is Jane Davenport also. I got that probably like last summer sometime, and it's really pretty. So it was kind of a whole Jane Davenport theme on here, so I just decided to go with it. And I liked how the window kind of opened up onto the little art piece. In the background, my husband was playing the trombone. He played the trombone in the Minnesota marching band, and he was with my daughter. So you can hear what's going on. I thought you guys would enjoy that. Nothing like a trombone solo serenade when you're doing some journaling. Oh, so funny. I cut out that little quote that was from a Real Simple magazine. I just really liked the quote, and then the flower was in the picture above it, and I just cut out the flower and glued it on top there. This definitely just turned into kind of like more art journaling, because I was just kind of throwing in things that I liked and that I had collected. I cut out some of the words, the phrases that were in that magazine too, like frame your mindset and get to know you better. And then they had Chinese food last night, and one of the fortunes was, you will live a peaceful and fulfilling life, or something like that. So I kept it and I glued it in there. I got out some of my date stickers, the Maste brand that I got from Jetpens, and I'm putting some of those in there. I'm going to link below this kind, and then also there's a couple other ones that are super pretty, and I really want to get them. It's like, I think $12 a roll maybe, or $12 for 2 rolls. So it's not cheap, but it's super, super pretty. They have different patterns, which are really neat. And then I'm using my Paige Evans American Crafts sticker book, and I'm just sticking in stickers that I really liked. These 2 like cute little pencils, and then a little journal on the on the tip-in. And then don't ask me why I put a sock on there. I don't know. Just because I guess it reminded me of my day, laundry and life. And then I love this sticker. It's like gold foiling and it says something along the lines of my weekend is all booked up. Like kind of along the lines of how we were talking about it's okay to tell people you're busy, to take a minute for yourself. We didn't do a lot this weekend, but I was booked up, kind of resetting, and getting back to normal. The little kids I thought were super cute because my kids had a couple of their friends over to play yesterday, so the house was bustling, and so I thought that was a super cute sticker. And then the Fresh Start and New Day, those are all from the Paige Evans sticker book. I just think they're so cute and pretty. So I just kind of go wild slapping those stickers in there. It's like butterflies and flowers and the colors, like I said, are so pretty. And then on that little banner above the little kids, I said, don't forget to play. Because I think we all need to remember to stop and play. Life doesn't have to be so serious. I mean, sometimes it does, but we just need to take a deep breath. So here you guys go. Here's the finished journaling session. And I had a lot of fun. I hope you guys did too, and that you did something fun. I'll talk to you later. Bye.